What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get jump pad in Roblox Rivals. Firstly, go into the weapons room and look behind the stack of boxes across the NPC. Walk into the shard to collect it. Now head to the leaderboard in the lobby. Squeeze behind it, climb up slightly and collect the shard hidden there. Just go to the duel section in the lobby and look near the wall by 3 vs 3 portals to find the shard. Now, join a public match. Private servers doesn't work. On the construction map, climb up all the way to the top of the crane, then that's the shard is at the very end. Look into the bridge map and reach the third tower on the right side, and the shard is located at the top, but it can be risky if enemies are nearby. Once you collect all 9 jump shards, the jump pad unlocks automatically and will be added to your inventory. If you want, you can press the button to start. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.